Last week, we featured a 15-year-old entrepreneur who's making strides as a successful farmer. This evening, the story of a 15-year-old self-taught makeup artist from Portmore St. Catherine who turned her hobby into a lucrative business. Here's Kayan Morgan with A Ray of Hope.
My name is Jamaica. I'm 15 years old and I am a makeup artist and a young entrepreneur. So my love for makeup is from my auntie. I always used to share the makeup and I always want to do it. So I start practice it, but I didn't start. But when the pandemic come, I just not nothing for do, so I just start back do it and start practice more. I mostly start watch YouTube video with other makeup artists and on Instagram and see what them do and follow it. Everybody on Instagram was asking me when I go start the people face and them something. What I say, I have to practice more and catch everything first before I can start the people face. And then after I catch everything, I just start the people face and I get work. Now I'm going to apply some glue. I start prime my face first, then I do my eyebrow, conceal it. Then I start apply the foundation, then I contour my face, apply the eyeshadow part and setting spray.
For many, the pandemic has significantly impacted their mental health. But for Jamnelia, she has managed to cope. In fact, she took the negatives and transformed them into something glamorous.
Everybody love it. Them tell me say look good, must continue. One day I get big in it. But then, if I show you some makeup picture, you would believe see me did compared to now. Yeah, I'm really improve a lot. I feel proud of myself for a 15-year-old who had the makeup very well. Other than from makeup, I do like sewing, like all things like a t-shirt, I turn to skirt and blouse, jeans, pants and them stuff. I have a business page on Instagram where I sell like bath suit and bags and them something. Like, I really just want to be independent, like my mother. I don't want to work for anybody but myself. In the next 5 years, I see myself as a cosmetologist, owning my own beauty salon, doing makeup, nails, hair, everything that come with cosmetologists, and also differently owning my own business, like selling fashionable things. For making my own money, it feels good. Nobody can say anything because I'm my money, I use and buy my things, so nobody can tell me no. When I make my money, I use it and buy back like other products, put some in my bank account, not spending all of my money on clothes and to go to party and those stuff. Other kids my age, I will advise them to go on the internet and find a skill or a trade and do something with them time, because in a sense, you waste time like this, especially because I know younger, we get younger and we have to have something to do. So you can go on YouTube or Instagram or Pinterest and find something to do. Just believe in yourself and have confidence and pray and just do what you want to do and don't make anybody doubt you and tell you that you can't do.